mothers, welcome back to my channel Rocking a Beat and Mom. Today's video is baby food recipe, and now I am going to make Rava upma for my baby. My baby is 14 months old. If your baby is below 1 year, then don't add salt, and if your baby is above 1 year, then you can add salt in this dish. This Rava upma, it is very easy to eat, very easy to make, and very tasty and very healthy also. So if your baby is 8 months old, then it is the perfect food to give your baby in breakfast time. So here is the ingredients: chopped, not chopped, grated carrots, then some jeera, and then some mustard seed, and 4 curry leaves, and then rava, that means suji, and ghee. So you can add any other vegetables also, like green beans, hari matar, and then pyaz, that means onions also you can add. So now I am adding only, so now I am making this upma with the carrot only carrot I am using. So you can add any other vegetables also if your baby can digest, then. So mothers, I hope that you will like this video. If you really like this video, then please make it in your home and give to your baby in breakfast time. Your baby will enjoy it, and he or she will eat. So it is very easy to eat also, that's why. So mothers, let's start.
Audio Jungle.